I can't believe you can make that much money. No way that's real. It's all nonsense. You wouldn't believe how many times I've heard things like that when I tell people I'm a professional trader. And yet, most of them haven't even dared to try, even though you can start with the smallest amounts, even just $10. Today, I'm gonna show you how to turn $5 into over $2,500. Watch this video to the end and you'll learn all the details about the easiest, most profitable and safest method to make money in trading.
Use the force, Luke.
Greetings, my trader Padawan, Master Evelyn here. I believe that even serious traders like me can have a little fun sometimes. After all, when you've been doing what you love for over 4 years in trading and have been trading binary options for a while, there comes a point when you don't need to prove anything to anyone, especially if you're making over $1 million a year, right?
That's right.
On this channel, I share the most effective binary options trading strategies with everyone. I reveal the best life hacks that can bring you daily earnings of $5,000 to $10,000, even if you're a complete beginner. And I'm building a massive community of traders who are improving their well-being together, a place where you can find support. Join us and stay up to date on the coolest and most profitable strategies. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. And don't forget to check out my Telegram channel. In it, you can trade using my signals for free and earn just as much as I do.
Thank you so much for everything you have done for me.
Your signals has been amazing.
The link to the channel is in the description below this video. Come on in, let's get rich together and make our dreams come true.
So, what do you say, Mr. Krabs?
Today's episode isn't just your average episode. Aside from unveiling a fabulous trading strategy for binary options, there is a twist. A one-of-a-kind challenge. Today's trading session is gonna be super cool, literally. Not only am I aiming to turn $5 into $2,500, but for every trade I make, the room's temperature will drop by 4 Fahrenheit, courtesy of our AC. You might think it's a breeze, but trust me, after the 5th trade, things will get chilly, and by the 10th, I'm practically in a freezer. Curious if I can handle it? Alrighty, let's get things set up. Firstly, our candlestick time frame will be set at 30 seconds and the trade time at 1 minute. Then, for our currency pairs, we'll pick the pound against the Japanese yen, US dollar and Swiss franc, Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, and Euro and Turkish lira. And lastly, today's indicators of choice will be Keltner channel and RSI. Our Keltner channel settings will be set at 25, 10, 1 for the styles. Green line set to 2, white to 2, red also to 2, and a nifty minty background. Perfect. For the RSI indicator, we'll set the period at 7 and bump up the styles of the main line to 2 for better visibility. For the beginners out there, the Keltner channel is an indicator based on volatility. It forms a range or a channel that gauges price movements in relation to the moving averages, upper and lower bands. Any movement outside this channel could hint at a trend shift or an acceleration. Also, the direction of this channel can give us a clue about the asset's trend direction. RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, is a technical analysis indicator showing the ratio of positive to negative price changes of an asset. It's a crowd favorite because it's easy to interpret. An RSI over 70, that's assets looking overbought. Below 30, it's in the oversold zone, meaning a trend reversal might be on the horizon, but of course, it's never this straightforward. So we have our 2 indicators, and their values will help us analyze the market's direction.
That's great.
Alright, let's dive into our super cool session. By the way, which trading session do you consider your most successful? What's the most you've made and in what time frame? Brag a little in the comments. I'd love to hear about your wins. So, are you ready? I'm so pumped up right now, but I need to make sure not to overdo it. The temperature in the room is a comfy 66 Fahrenheit, which is perfect. Now it's time to tackle this mission. I'm ready. Are you? Alrighty, then let's get started.
Let's go.
Euro Lira. The Keltner volatility lines are hinting at a downtrend. Let's click down. And we've passed the first stage. We're at $9. We're just warming up, but we already have to turn the temperature down by 4 Fahrenheit. Now it's a chilly 62 Fahrenheit in here. On the second pair, look at the RSI. The lines touching the oversold zone, a sure sign of an oncoming bullish trend. So our bet is up. Just a bit more. Yep. Well done us. We're at $17, but it's dropping another 4 Fahrenheit. Now it's just 58 Fahrenheit. My hands are starting to feel it. Alrighty, the dollar and the franc. The trades are not very volatile. It kind of hints at a prolonged consolidation, but both indicator pulses seem to suggest an uptrend. Betting up. Boom! Our balance has grown to $33. Going strong. Completed level 3. Oof, but the temperature is dropping again to 54 Fahrenheit. Ooh, it's getting cold in here, but we'll reach our goal. All right. The period's closed and this candle's done. Confidently betting on a decline. Yep, nothing can stop us. $63 in the bag. Judging by the profit we're making, my technical analysis skills are top-notch.
Oh, yeah.
All these chart explanations and indicator interpretations, they're all a great foundation for boosting your trading skills. So give this video a thumbs up to show some love as a thank you for my efforts. And by the way, it's now 50 Fahrenheit in here.
Winter is coming.
We are on the first pair. What do we have here? It's clear from a distance that the downtrend is just picking up steam. Just take a look at the chart and both indicators. Another bearish attack is shaping up. Pushing down. Okay, we're close to clearing the 5th level. Wow, that was intense. Our balance is at $121. Beautiful. Oh, it's already 46 Fahrenheit. Gotta keep this momentum going. The Aussie and the Canadian dollar. Volatility is quite high, and these impulses are dragging the trend downward. Let's keep riding this market wave. Place the bet. Wow, great execution. Sitting pretty at 233 coins. But the temperatures dropped down to 42 Fahrenheit. Not loving that at all. Alright, downwards. And here we see how the candle hit its peak and the trend reversed. Let's click down. Whoa, and we've raised $447. But the temp's dropping to 38 Fahrenheit. It's getting really cold in the studio. The pound and the yen. The Keltner lines are confidently moving downward, accompanying our candle, and the situation with this pair remains unchanged. Betting on a drop. Here we go! Yes! Level 8 conquered. Brilliant! We're at a total of $858.
Yes!
And to get results like mine, you've got to master more winning strategies. There's this epic strategy in the video where I aimed to earn enough for an iPhone 15 Pro in 15 minutes, starting with just $2. A super profitable strategy. Click here or check out the link in the description to learn it.
Okay.
Ooh, it's getting unbearable in here. 34 Fahrenheit. Terrible conditions? Just wait and see. So, the bulls are taking control of the situation. Active trading has just kicked off, and the movement is definitely not stopping anytime soon. Plus, both indicators are pointing us in one direction. Up. Anyone knows a good way to warm up? Oof, we just hit a whooping $1,648. But dang, it's now 30 Fahrenheit in here. Let's see. Oh, we're back at the Aussie-Canadian showdown. A new candlesticks forming right before our eyes. And this one? Well, according to both my trusty indicators, it's ending at its peak. So we click up. and finish him. Yoo-hoo! Oh, did I nail that or what? And now for my victory dance. Gonna warm up in style. Who's cool? I'm cool.
Oh me, oh.
Evelyn's stepping it up from $5 to 2 grand. To 2 grand! To 2 grand! Now that's a sweet profit, my friend. Oh, you're such a good friend. Yes, $2,568. Woohoo! And now I'm revealing the easiest, super profitable and safest method to make money in trading. Come join my Telegram channel where you can follow my trades absolutely for free.
Evan, keep doing what you're doing. You are changing lives through your free signals.
Each and every one of you will get everything you need. During our sessions, I'll walk you through step by step how to trade binary options. I'll show you how to use pocket option down to the tiniest details, even demonstrating which buttons to press on the platform. I'm here to support every participant every day. That means you can expect to get the hang of trading in just a couple of days and start earning money even if you are starting from scratch.
Just started trading 2 days ago. I started with 100 euros and I'm already up to 500 euros right now.
Sure, trading, strategies, signals, and indicators might seem complicated to some, but trust me, it's actually super simple and I'll personally help you with it. All you need to do is follow my trades and you'll be able to achieve consistent results just like me. I'm more than happy to share my experience with you all. I can't wait to dive into the world of trading with you and help you reach a new financial level in life.
There is more money here than we could spend in 10 lifetimes.
That was magical. The Jedi trader in me totally nailed it. How cool was that? I think I've earned some likes and comments for this challenge. Also, I'll share a video with a super strategy that helped me earn $5,936 effortlessly in 12 minutes, starting with $15. Can you earn more and faster? Prove it. Click here or look for the link in the description and watch this amazing video.
Okay.
Also, invite more friends to my channels. Let's create a massive and successful community. Bye, kittens. See you in my cozy Telegram. Love you all. Kisses.